Yo, hello everyone! Do you want to streamline your YouTube video creation process? In this video, we will show you how to use Descript for creating YouTube videos in 2023. From transcribing your audio to editing your video and exporting it, learn how to create an engaging content with this all in one tool. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So the first thing first, as we always do, is launch our browser. The next thing to do is simply go to the URL section and search for Descript. So let's do that. So Descript, and here we go. And here all-in-one video podcast editing, etc. So click on it and simply click here to get started for free. As simple as that. Now they are logging us in. You can create an account very simply using your email, password, first name, last name, or you can sign up very fast using your Google account. So we will do that and then choose any account of yours and they will connect us directly to our main account. So your download is starting and they will start to download the application for us. So just give it some time and it will be installed in our PC. And then we shall start with the downloading or the installation process. So it can take around like 30 seconds, 40 seconds for you to install, but overall it's gonna be so fast for you to be installed. It has 156 megabytes in total. Now let's just open our folder or our app, and here it is installing. As you see here, please wait a little bit until it reaches the limit, and they will give us like the simplest process of installing any software on our PC, like next, etc. So here it is installed, and now as you saw we have created an account. So I will click here to sign in, and now they will directly take me to my account. So here we go, and this is my account opened. Now this is the thing that you must answer when you first open a new account. So which best describes your use of the script? For me, I'm going to use content for business or creator or personal. You can choose whatever you have from here, so just choose whatever. So for example, I'm going to do this and then create a drive. So with this, this is the space where your projects are stored. So team size, just me, and here the name, and then continue. Here, if you'd like to add any additional members to your team, I'm not gonna invite anyone. And what will you make with this script? I'm going to make something like just like normal video, and then click on continue. Here, personalize your experience, so you can change these later in your preferences. So default project type video, and then click on continue, launch quick recorded at login. So continue, and here we go. Welcome to the script. The script is different from others, etc. So now let's open tutorial project or perhaps later. So let's go to perhaps later, and now let's start with creating our new project by clicking over here, and then it will take it some time to create us. And here we go. So let's give it a name, tutorial, and press enter to continue with an empty composition. So continue, and here you can add the file to transcribe. So for example, and you can add like file into script, file, scene, marker, speaker, comment, whatever you'd like to add, you can add it through here. We can add, for example, here text. So here it is. Hello everyone. You can make the text long or short through here. You can literally edit whatever video you have, whatever text you can. This is simply like an easy tool for you to create videos. As simple as that. You can here change the background of this video. So click on background, and here you can choose the color as you saw. And now if you want back to text here, and we want to text is over there. So it is still here. We can still change it, make the opacity low, we can add some effect to it. For example, blurry. We can make it film grain. Let's turn off the blurry effect. So this is like an effect that you can add to your text. You can even add like videos. I don't know. Let's see if we can drag here file into script. We can go, for example, to videos. Here I'm going to go to my variants clips and try to drag something. So let's go with that one and add in file. As you can see here, it can take some time because my variant clips are so much big in size. So file added to the timeline. Alright, let's check if it is already up. It is added. As you can see, this is like my Valorant clips, and everything here is set it up for you to start editing it and do whatever you'd like. So once you feel like you're done with the video and everything is ready to go, you can here click on publish, and then you can publish it. As simple as that. So, as you know, it is not a free app, it is paid. But you can get these free features for free. But the only downside that you will get is a watermark above your video. So, whenever you finish your video and try to like publish it and make it published for everyone, you will get a watermark applied over it. If you'd like to remove it, you can just go to click in upgrade, and then you will have to pay around $15 per month in order to get the premium version, which gives you much more features and a lot of things to use. Of course, once you use it for the first time, you will get one time remove watermark. So you can use it here and it will be removed for you only for the first time. And if you'd like to get more quality, you will have also to get the premium version. And yeah, this is for the access, and this is where you want this video to be published. If you'd like it to be published on YouTube, so here it is, the title, description. Click here to sign in on your YouTube channel, and it will be directly rendered and published and uploaded on your YouTube channel through the app itself. So for example, let's try this out. Here we can click on sign in. They will take us to our Google here, and then they will tell us to choose which account do we choose to actually upload our videos on, and then they will ask us for uh, like access to our YouTube channel. So we choose this one YouTube channel, and then here we give them the authorization, and then they will start uploading the videos on the app. So let's cancel that for now. And here, let's go back. In case you didn't want to actually publish it, you want to only export it on your PC. You can do that as well, just by clicking on export. And here you have to choose the kind of things. So here, export current composition. Here, the resolution. So we can't go above 720 because we don't have the premium version. The quality, make it high. Here, the add metadata, we can turn it off. Remove watermark in case you had watermark, remove it. And here for audio settings, for GIF settings, for timeline, transcript, and subtitles. So it has also subtitles. If you'd like to add some, you can add them. They are for free, only for 3 minutes. So you can add 3 minutes time of like like subtitles. So for example, here in this video you will put 30 seconds, in another you will put 2 minutes, in another you will put 30, and also in total you'll have 3 minutes. So that's how you can use the subtitles in this script for free. In case you bought the premium, you will have unlimited, of course. So overall, that's how you can use the script. I hope you like this video, guys, and see ya in the next tutorial.